You are welcome to Abona Mathematical class, home of academics. Today we'll be discussing a very important topic. There are two topics that I'm going to discuss in a question. Look at the board. These are complex radical, continuous radical, and this is an aspect of factorial I call sub-factorial. Sub-factorial. Sub-factorial is denoted this way, which I've taught in my previous video, and the junior brother to that is called factorial. This is it. I can also call super-factorial, sub-factorial in my last video. I can call it left factorial. Left factorial. Why? Because my factorial symbol is at the left. If I do not call it left factorial, I can also call it anti-factorial. Anti-what? Factorial, because it's against the original factorial that we are aware of. If I do not call it that, I can call it the arrangement. The arrangement. Why the arrangement? Example now. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is normal factorial, well arranged. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But the arrangement of that, it is going to be, these numbers will be scattered. It will be scattered. It can be 4, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 1, it can be 2. The number, the way this original factorial is arranged, the factorial of it, 5 cannot take its original position. 4 cannot take its original position. 3, 2, 1, they cannot retain their position. They will be scattered. That is why I call it the arrangement. Here is arrangement. Here is what? Arrangement. But if I dearrange this arrangement, we call it dearrangement. And that is what we call sub-factorial. Now, it is here. And this is indices too. And that means it's 3 topics. Complex radicals, indices because of this power, indices, and this is also what sub-factorial, this is ordinary number. Now, I solve. Now, the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to trash out this complex radical. We can see that it's continuous. Now, some question can come and put infinity at the end. It means it's continuous. That is a recurring complex solved. That is that. I solve now. Solution. The first thing to do, I'll say let B, or any letter of my choice, let it be what? All the question, all the what? 2, all the question on the board, root what? Root 2. The radicals, root 2 plus what? Another root 2 plus another root 2 plus dot. This is what we have to do first. I'm solving inside the bracket first. Now, if you can see viewers at home, viewers all over the world, my friends all over the world, if you can see, all these are repetition of roots. Since I represent all of them to be what? Roots. All of them to be what? To be B. I can also come and portion them. Everything here too is also B. Everything here too is also B. Since there is what? Resemblance. I will not do this way. I'll say B is equal to what? Root 2 plus B. Because B is already all of them, and each of them is also B. Because it's continuous. Now I solve. At this juncture, my friends all over the world, when there is a root, I will square both sides. Let's say there is cube root here. I will have cube both sides. Let's say there is 4 here. I will fourth both sides. But since it is square root, I will square both sides at this juncture. I will square this side, B squared. I will now square this side. 2 plus what? B. I will square this side. These two marry this one out. B squared is equal to 2 plus what? B. This is what we do. I'm still trashing out the left hand side. Hey, I'm not going to rearrange. This is a quadratic form. Why? Because of this power 2. I will rearrange this equation. I will now say B or B squared minus B equals to 2. I will now rearrange properly. B squared minus B minus 2 is equal to 0. From here, in one of my previous video, I taught quadratic equation. And this is a quadratic equation. What type of quadratic equation is this? I call it affected quadratic equation. We have 2 types. Affected what? Quadratic equation. That's this. Why affected? We have A, B, C at this what? Equation. The value of A is 1. The value of B minus 1. The value of C minus 2. But when it is like this, ordinarily, B squared minus B, the constant parameter is missing. This is pure quadratic equation. It can be in form of these two plus 2. What is missing here? The middle term is missing. This is a constant. This is the first term. The middle term is missing here. This is also pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation. Pure what? Quadratic equation. This one is affected because the three parameters are complete. The A, which is coefficient of B squared 1. The B, coefficient of B is what? -1, while the constant is what? -2. Now I solve. There are various methods of solving quadratic equation. I'm going to solve factorize. This is 2b squared minus. I will look for the factor. Minus 2b and b. They are the factor that can replace minus b. How come? Minus 2b plus b. Minus 2b plus b is minus b. Minus 2b times b, which is minus 2b squared. Fine, that means I'm correct. Now, at this juncture, I solve. B squared minus 2b plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. I will group them in twos. Now, what is common here? B, bracket, b minus 2. I close the bracket. We can see it was all over the world. What is common here was b. I factorize that. There is nothing common here. We use 1 to open the bracket. So there will be resemblance with this. Plus 1, b minus 2 equal to 0. Do you as I told you all over the world? When you are solving quadratic equation factorization method, you must ensure, and for you to know you are correct, the two brackets must be what? The same. When they are the same, you are good to go. Now, I pick the outside value. B plus 1, b minus 2 is equal to 0. From here, 0 property law. I will use 0 properties. I will equate this one with 0. I will equate this one with 0. At that juncture, my answer here is -1, and my answer here is what? Is 2. Now, these are my answers. I will pick the positive side because why? I'm dealing with indices. Negative values will be what? Neglected. I will now say b equals to 2. That is the value. The answer for this continuous radical is plus 2. The two answers are correct, -1 and 2. But the best answer for this question, based on indices, I will choose positive value. That is that. In my b, I will now combine all the variables together now. But this one is 2. And I'll say 2. This is 2 raised to the power 2s plus 5 is equal to, I'll bring this in, SUB-FACTORIAL 3 over 8 raised to power 2 raised to power x minus 8. Now this is settled. In my previous video, note SUB-FACTORIAL 3. According to SUB-FACTORIAL, I've taught it in my previous video. Go and check. You will see it there. We have SUB-FACTORIAL 3 is 2. No need to work it again. Go and read it there. Go and study it there. Now, saying this is SUB-FACTORIAL 3. The answer is 2. Based on my previous video, go and watch. I will now substitute this SUB-FACTORIAL 3 here. Now, viewers at home, let's do it together. 2 raised by 2s plus 5 is equal to 2 over 8. All raised to power, we have x minus 8 from here. Now, I cancel where necessary. 2s plus 5 is equal to 1 over 4 raised to power x minus 8. This is already in base 2. This is what? 1 over 4. I can take it to what? Also to base 2. The base must be the same. 2s raised by that is equal to 2 raised by minus 2 from law of indices. When we have 1 over a raised by n, the answer is a raised by minus n. When I have 1 over 2 raised by 5, the answer is what? 25 raised by minus 1, which is 5 raised by 2 minus 1. Final answer, 5 raised by minus 2, according to law of indices. That's what I've done here. I'll now put all of them in what? Bracket, x minus 8. From there, I open the bracket. 2 raised by 2s plus 5 is equal to 2 minus 2s plus 8. What I'm doing here, I use the power to open the bracket. From law of indices, I have reduced this aspect 1 over 4 to base 2 so they can resemble each other. 2 raised by 2s plus 5 is equal to, we have 2 raised by minus 2s minus 2 minus 8 is what? Plus 16. I cancel. Before I cancel, I have to consult one of the property of indices. We have s raised power a is equal to s raised power b. When the bases are the same, I will compare the power. This cancel this. A equals to b. Now, that is what I will do based on this principle. My bases are cancelled. 2s plus 5 is equal to minus 2s plus what? 16. At this juncture, I collect the items. Viewers at home, all over the world. What I will say at this juncture is, please go to my Facebook page, go to my YouTube page, go and press the notification button. Go and press subscriber, like my page, share my page to people all over the world so that people will benefit for what I'm doing here. My God bless you. Let us continue. Now I saw, collect the items at this point, 2s plus 2s, 16 minus 5. Finally, I finish up at this juncture. 2s plus 2s is what? 4s is equal to 11. Here, I want to get my x. The question says we should find the value of x. I will divide both sides by 4. 4 cancel 4. S equals to 11 over 4. This is the final answer. Option A, 2 over 5. Option B, 3 over 7. Option C, 4 over 5. Option D, 1 over 7. Option E, 11 over 4. Thank you, viewers at home. We have seen how this question has been mesmerized, how this question has been trashed from beginning to the end. This is the answer for this question. Thank you. God bless you. Go to my YouTube page, go to my Facebook page, go and like and share and press the notification button and subscribe to my page so that when I drop video of any subject, of any topic, you'll be able to be the first partaker to receive it. Thank you very much. Bye.